Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve this square root problem. Question is under root x into under root x is equal to 27. We have to find the value of x. So the first step is we have to square on both sides. So question is under root x and under root x and under root x whole square is equal to 27 square. This 2 and square will be cancelled out. X into root x and x root x and x root x is equal to 27 square. Again we have to square on both sides. So we get as x square and this square root and this 2 will cancel out. X square into x into under root x into under root x is equal to 27 power 4. So this square and this x square into x is x power x cube, it will come. In the next step we have to write as x cube into under root x is equal to 27 power 4. So x cube into under root x into under root x is equal to 27 power 4. So again we have to square root on both sides. So we get as x power 3 means x power 6. This square root and this 2 will be cancelled out. X into x root x is equal to 27 power 8. 4 to the 8. So now x power 6 into x means x power 6 plus 1 means x power 7. X power 7 into x power x is equal to 27 power 8. So again we have to square on both sides. We can get it as, and then we can get it as x power 14 and this square root and this square will be cancelled out. X power 14 into x is equal to 27 power 16. This x power 14 into x means x power 15 is equal to 27 power 16 will get us x power 15 is equal to 27 power 16. So in power we can write it as x power 15 is equal to 27 power 16. We can also write it as power 1 by 15, and this power 1 by 15 on both sides, and this 15 cancel out, and x is equal to 27 power 16 by 15 we get as x is equal this 27 we can write it as x is equal to 3 power 3 into 3 power 3 whole power 16 by 15. So we can write it as 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, and x is equal to 3 power 16 by 5. So this 16 we can write it as 15 plus 1 by 5. We have to split this division. 3 power 15 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Again 3 1s are 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. So we can get it as 3 power 3 plus 1 by 5. 3 plus 1 by 5. We know that one formula, a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. A power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. So this is in the form like this. It is in the form of a power m plus n. So we can write it as 3 power 3 into 3 power 1 by 5. 3 power 3 means 27 into 3 power 1 by 5. If we can write it as a power 1 by 5 means we can write it as 5th root of a. So now we can write it as 27 5th root of 3. X is equal to, this is the answer. X is equal to 27 5th root of 3. Thanks for watching. Do follow for more videos.